tie-up with KLE. This is a decision I have taken, and we have implemented. From Wednesday onwards, they'll have OPDs here regularly, and in association with Goa Medical College. And KLE is one of the hospitals that is already recognized under DDSSY, and that is how we want to move forward, because they already have. That's one of the few hospitals that already has a counter for DDSSY out of station, out of Goa, in their hospital. So DDSSY patients also can go and get whatever benefit they want. That partnering with KLE is very important to us as far as sending our patients there for all kind of, because everything is available under one roof. Hence today we have started the OPD so that people who are cancer related and having symptoms pertaining to cancer, they can have every week. This OPD will run, and we are in the process of setting up our own department of oncology, and it is very important because the rise of cancer patients in the state of Goa. As a result of which we are in the process, file is moved already to the office of Honorable Chief Minister. It will get cleared any moment. That is to appoint Dr. Anupama Borkar as a chief consultant for the Department of Oncology.
मणिपालात जाल्ल्या ऑर्गन हार्वेस्टिंग बेकायदेशीर ताचो एकदा रिपोर्ट आयलो काय फुडली कारवाय जातली. विश्वजितान ऑर्गन ट्रान्सप्लांटेच्या मान्यतायेक आयिल्ले प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटलांचे अर्ज भायर मारले.
I, as a minister, as long as I am health minister of the state of Goa, Goa Medical College will be the only institution where organ transplant. I am rejecting the file of Manipal Hospital today and sending the file back down. No hospital in Goa will be recognized for organ transplant, irrespective of how much pressure they put on me. It is only Goa Medical College. If I don't take such aggressive stance, Goa Medical College will not be able to progress. In interest of the state, interest of various rackets of organ transplant that we have read about and heard about, Goa Medical College will be the only recognized institute in Goa for organ transplant. And also Secretary Health had no power to give unilaterally permission to Manipal Hospital to undertake an organ transplant. This is absolutely illegal. Even the Secretary's role will be investigated by myself and the committee. Whatever happened has happened illegally, and I am waiting for the committee to give me a report to fix responsibility on who was responsible. But I will not give any hospital. Manipal's application stands rejected.
शुक्रारा GMC नवे बर्न युनिटाचे उक्तावण केले.
GSIDC माध्यमांतल्यान आयज हांगा बर्न युनिटाचो आमी डेडिकेटेड बर्न युनिटाचे आयज इनॉग्रेशन केल्लें आसा. थंय अशी परिस्थिती आसली की पयलीं 30% पर्यंतूच बर्न्स जाल्ले पेशंटाचे उपचार जातालो, पण आयज ह्या डेडिकेटेड बर्न युनिटच्या माध्यमांतल्यान कमीत कमी 70% पर्यंत बर्न जाल्ले लोकांक ते ट्रिटमेंट दिवंक शकतले आनी सक्सेसफुली लोकांचें जीवन वाचोवपाचो एक नवें पावल गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान घेतलेलें आसा.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी.